Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset iRobot Roomba 989. To do this, first we'll need to click on the robot inside iRobot app, then scroll down and select Product Settings. Right here we can go for About our robot name, and you should find Remove Device from an account and Factory Reset Dustin Reset, so that's the name of my robot. And we can confirm Factory Reset. Okay. And the reset is basically done. Only thing we can also do is click on the home and the spot button at the same time for the robot to reset the Wi-Fi settings, and now it's fully done. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.